Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarX in Berkeley, California. You've probably heard this before. Nothing sticks to silicone but silicone. But have you ever wondered why and how it happens? Today I'm going to show you how it happens in practice and a little bit about the reason. Let's see. Okay, what I have here is a silicone that applied on a board, and we give these boards as a sample to contractor to see how our silicone looks like. They can feel it, and it shows the the roof. It's a bitumen granuled, and this is the primer, and this is the silicone. So, and we want to try 3 of our coatings on the silicone to see if they can stick or not. So I start with the Silex 100. It's a liquid rubber sealant that is very it's powerful in waterproofing, and also it sticks very well in different membranes, roof materials. But I'm going to show you what happens when I apply it on the silicone. See, it doesn't stay, it sleeps on the surface of the silicone, and it never gets stick into it. So whatever you try, you don't get any stickness here. Okay, now I'm going to show you another coating, which is our SolarX 300, an acrylic roof coating, and I got a sample of tinted one to see it better on white silicone. So let's try this. See, the same, it doesn't stick, and it sleeps on the surface because the silicone has it has a very low surface energy. That's why it doesn't accept the other coatings to itself. Now the question is, if nothing sticks to silicone, what we can do if we want to restore a surface or a roof that already coated with silicone? The answer is silicone. So now let's try the SolarX 500 on silicone. Okay. See, it doesn't slip at all. So it sticks very good to cured silicone, like the primer and other material on the roofs, and you don't have any problem with adhesion on silicone with silicone. And I hope you enjoyed this test, and let me know if you have any question about your roof and about your job, and I will be happy to help. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the test today. And I mentioned that the reason that silicone doesn't accept other paints, coatings and adhesives is that it has a very low energy on its surface. and it could be a disadvantage actually, but don't forget that silicone is has a great capabilities in waterproofing, in UV resistant, and also it stays flexible for years. Like our Silicone X500, you can count on it on your restoration job for commercial roofs, and it's one of the best option for for extending the life of roofs. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about your roofing job via email or WhatsApp, and see you next time. Bye. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.